So this
he's coming, this one. Net makangabhala ama-lyrics aphilayo. He's coming. Boom, boom, boom.
You see the lyrics are Maya oh. Yeah, ibo yiple ngoma le. Maya oh. Yeah.
Okay.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Yusmaz and we're back again with another video. I am here with mommy. So guys, today we are going to react for a video, SOS, the big crosser. He's not a camper. So my mom doesn't know the video that have been trending on YouTube and wara. So this is the first time she's watching. So I want to see a reaction. So first off, we're going to start with the first song. Actually, this is not the first song, but it's the first song that made waves trending. He dissed the SA rappers, right? So yeah, let's watch this one. We're gonna start with this one, and then we go for the second one. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Big Zulu, hey Ingabi, Ingati Nkulu, Nasty C, Okumshindo Ngapelio, hey Riz, Izapa, baby girl, Struggy T, Isisunga to Metisel, Caspan your vest, Intabing at the Yipokwe, aka, Manbendi Simangaye, Yar, Questa, Cow Music Voice, Blessing at Rick Ross, Cow Pikileo, MT, I Shamsis Aram, I am hot, egg as Varam, Yar.
We are Muzwaid. So far, how is it?
Oh, why am I kangaka? Why am I put so? What's your podcast nje?
Yeah, we have a teaser.
Okay, dissing we have a podcast nje.
Yeah.
Okay.
So rappers, they do that, to see who's the best.
Yeah.
So yeah, out of 5,
No, you're shy.
Very shy.
Yeah, you drop.
Okay, let's continue.
Same eagle, you are not J. Cole. Let it be known. Cause that teach, I'm fooling, I think Poppy Ace.